Hello YouTubers, subscribers and friends, welcome to my channel. Normally there's a mama dove that sits right over there, and she's gone now. Maybe she went to go eat or something. And you can see the eggs. Let me see if I can get closer. I don't see her anywhere. I always walk up to her really close and she doesn't move. I'm looking in all the trees. I don't see her. She can't be too far away. Let me get a close view up here. There's the eggs. Man, those are big eggs. I don't want to stay here too long because it's scare. But yeah, I don't see her anywhere. There's some nests over here though. Nest right there. And a nest right above my head. Right there. Big long one. There's the whole entrance hole right there. I don't know what kind of bird makes that nest though. But every year there's always 2 or 3 nests here. Oh, there is 3. There's 1, 2, and then there's one up there too. Oh, there's the bird sitting right there in front of the nest. That's the bird that makes that. Oh, flew off. 2 of them. Flew away. Now I know what kind of bird makes that nest. I don't know the name of it, but I know what the bird looks like now. I'm going to have to go out and buy me some bird food like I do every year. Start throwing bird food down here on the ground. There you have it. Arizona wildlife. Spring is coming around the corner. I know you people over the Northeast don't believe spring's coming because you're getting hammered with snow again. But 2 good-sized wild dove eggs. I'm gone. Get gone.